seeing other people using our products and having benefit to their lifestyle and value of their property and those sorts of things is very fulfilling and is creating value from ideas, basically.
A lot of what we do is done through retailers, so we don't engage directly in most of these projects. If you see the orders, they come in, you know they're out there being fitted, and 6 months later you drive past and get to see the finished result. It's great. It's something we can all be really proud of.
Ozroll was formed in 1999. At that point in time, it was all about the core business was roller shutters, aluminium roller shutters, so that was where we originally started.
Within the company, we produce slide track outdoor blinds, Ozroll roller shutters, Inspire plantation shutters, Ellipso external aluminium blade louvers, used in both commercial and residential applications. So I guess the theme there is shading, very important of course in Australia, and increasingly so with rising energy costs and the focus on improved insulation of windows and openings.
On this site we focus on the roller shield roller shutters, and we also focus on our slide track external blinds. We've got another branch in Queensland where we do internal plantations, external aluminium louvers.
With the aluminium louvers, we've got a 100 kilo weight load on the blades. One of the fancy things that we do at trade shows is we get the salespeople to walk up and down it like a ladder. No one else in the world that I'm aware of can do that. We're fortunate enough to be specified in a lot of the large projects because people trust the product. We'll do things like rake panels, different shapes, we'll do curved tracks, glass panel infills. It's a little bit more like a job shop rather than a production line. Most of what Ozroll does is aluminium related in some shape or form. The louver product, besides some screws and some small plastic components, it's almost 100% aluminium.
We would probably have 40 or 50 exclusive or unique profiles that Capral run for us. I've designed the slide track blind system, so head boxes, well, all of the components, and a lot of those are aluminium extrusions. I've been able to talk with Rob from Capral. He runs the plant at Angaston here in South Australia, and it's been extremely beneficial that he can see what I'm trying to achieve, explain to me the possibilities or impossibilities in terms of his process. It's really been a great asset and made my life easier and more enjoyable in terms of product design and development.
The relationship does enable us to do more than just supply. We can develop, we can design, and it works very, very well. They do a lot of value add. There's wool pile that gets inserted in the guide to protect the curtain from scratching, and Capral will do that on our behalf, and then when it comes here we'll just crimp the guides together, so certainly that helps.
And the big advantage with Capral too is that they are able to provide colours. We have 6 standard colours with a great finish, and again that takes that process out of our hands, so we don't have to powder coat ourselves or engage a powder coater as such. We can get a finished product that we then often only need to cut to length.
With Capral we introduced the low-cal range, which gives us the ability to have a little bit more of a sustainable footprint, if you like.
But the great part is that aluminium is highly recyclable. The only issue was in the energy used in production. So with such a huge amount of a reduction with the low cal, it's just the perfect option for us.
The childcare centre where my grandson attends, our blinds are there. A favourite cafe has our blinds down on the beach. So yeah, that's good fun when we are out and about and in a social situation and say, oh yes, we made those.
We're in the shade industry, aren't we? So, we want more sun and more products to protect you from it.